Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by getting a clear baseline. Book a dilated eye exam right away and tell the clinician exactly when floaters began, how often they appear, and whether you saw flashes. While waiting, cut screen time and wear glasses instead of contacts. This reduces strain and irritation that accentuate floaters. Drink 2 to 3 liters of water daily and optimize sleep. These are immediate, low-risk moves to reduce perception and prepare you for medical assessment once the exam confirms the cause. Once done with the exam and basic changes, use controlled eye movements to shift floaters out of your central vision. Look slowly up, down, left, and right for 1 to 2 minutes. Then blink and track a small object for 30 to 60 seconds to habituate your brain. Make sure to wear sunglasses outdoors and manage blood sugar and blood pressure because systemic factors can worsen symptoms. If supplements are considered, discuss antioxidant choices with your clinician before starting any regimen. To finish, evaluate advanced options with a retinal specialist. YAG vitriolysis and vitrectomy can reduce or remove persistent floaters but carry risks, so confirm candidacy and procedure details. If you experience sudden increase in floaters, flashes, peripheral shadowing, or any vision loss, seek emergency ophthalmic care immediately. These signs could indicate retinal tear or detachment. If floaters remain disruptive after 3 to 6 months, request a referral to discuss intervention and weigh benefits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.